There's a phone booth in Japan where people call the dead. And sometimes they answer. It's 2011, Japan. A tsunami slams into the coast. Over 18,000 people vanish. No warning, no goodbye. In one of those towns, Otsuchi, a man named Itaru loses his cousin. So one day, he does something strange. He finds an old phone booth, puts it in his garden, connects it to nothing. No wires, no dial tone. But he picks up the receiver and talks. He calls it the wind phone because the words are meant to travel with the wind. But something happens. Strangers begin to show up. Word spreads. Quietly, families from across Japan come to Otsuchi. They step into the booth and talk to the people they lost. Today, over 30,000 people have used that phone. It doesn't ring. It doesn't connect. But for many, it's the only place where grief finally speaks.